Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashimary, definitely one of my faves these days. So the first thing in today's package is the wig. I got a goodie bag. I got multiple goodie bags. I got this bow clip. I got an information card. You guys know the vibes. I got some lace tapes and this Invisi strap. I also got another goodie bag, as I said, and these have a little bit more stuff. I got a pair of HE wig caps, another information cards. I got a branded elastic band. I got some lashes. I got an edge brush and comb, and they sent this cute little package with some bow clips on the inside. How cute. I also got a bonnet which is branded. I think it's always so nice to get a bonnet. And finally, the wig of the day. Let's go ahead and get into this, guys. What's so special about today is look first of all, look at the hair strands. That's directly out of the packaging, and it's like butter. It's super silky. It's a 10, like minimal where it needed, you know. Like, look at the movement. This wig is a 10. It's Ashimary's 10x6 Parting Max HD Lace Glueless Single Grade Single Strand wig. Alright, it's straight wear and go. Basically just a slap on and go wig. I'm showing you guys that it has the curve there on the cap to accommodate your ear. The combs on the inside are removable, as I'm showing you guys here. It also has a elastic band on the inside, which is branded Ashimary Glueless, and the lace is already bleached. It's also pre-plucked and pre-cut. As I said, it's a pre-everything wig, guys. No tangle. When I tell you no tangle, the hair is so silky. It is like a dream. I knew from the moment I took this out of the package I was gonna be so in love with it. Like, oh my gosh, I tell you, if you get this, if you really want a nice straight wig that's very convenient, you're gonna be so in love. They basically did like this M formation in the front. I don't know if you guys can see. I love the way they plucked this wig. I love it. It's kind of like the trending vibe these days, like, you know, that M shape for the hairline. Yeah, I see it a lot. Look at that. The graduation, so mild, so natural. The movement of the hair, like, I was just in awe. Like, look at me. Yeah, man. Like, be for real. If you don't get a straight wig like this when you get in a straight wig, what's the sense? What's the point? So I go ahead and I lay the top of the wig with my wax stick and my hot comb. I just take my time to do that because I just want to make sure it's extremely flat. But basically, a wig like this really saves on time. You know, it's very easy to install. As I said, it's glueless. It's very versatile as well. There's a lot of parting space working with a 10x6 glueless wig. You know, also it is it's pre-styled basically, because once you pull it out of the box, you can pretty much just slap it on and go. It's me that just wanted to be a little extra and going more with my hot comb there. You know, literally, as I said, just slap on and go. It saves on a lot of time, and I think a lot of you guys are gonna love it if you decide to go ahead and get it. Like, I think this is the type of quality you want for a special occasion, like, you know, birthdays coming up, graduation, hell, you getting married. This wig is that, girl. It is so flawlessly done, and I think Ashimary did a great job. All right. So I can't even lie, and it as it's a Flexi Max. They regard it as a Flexi Max glueless and versatile frontal. So yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. It's like butter. So this is it. This is pretty much it. Is so you could get a nice deep side part from this as well. Okay, so bear that in mind. You could go ahead and put braids in it. You could do a little ponytail in the middle of it. What gets me every time is how beautiful and flawless the hair itself is. It really doesn't tangle, and I wasn't getting any shedding. Look at that. I was having a time. Really and truly, I really was having a time. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, because they did their thing. You see me constantly pulling it up and slapping it down. That's literally all you have to do when you install this wig. Literally. Love it. Love it. You get this wig, you won't regret it. Trust me. So go ahead, check out my description box for all the specifications, the link to the wig if you want to get it for yourself. Ashimary, you guys did it again. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm just constantly in awe, as you can see my facial expression. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.